So we're going to go ahead and pick up where we left off. We have our inventor video that shows how we made this cylinder. So next thing we're going to do is we're just going to show the cylinder. We won't worry so much about the hidden lines. So we're just going to ignore the holes for right now. I just want to show how simple it is. Some people get intimidated by what AutoCAD is. AutoCAD is just more of a 2D version. 2D meaning just drawing on a piece of paper. It's a very fundamental tool, and depending on what industry you work in, you may use it more than a 3D modeling package. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create that cylinder. This is not 3D, but it's 2D. So we're just drawing lines at this point. So we want to draw that line straight across. So it's really just plug in. So 1.5. So there's our length of our part there. And we know it's a diameter 1, so we just come down 1, and then we just go back over 1.5. And we just come and put it on the end. So what we have is we have these things called snaps. Let's make sure your drawing's perfect, lined up real good. So that would be our front view. So let's go check that out real quick. Right there, 1.5, we got the one high. So at the same, when we did the 2D view, this is like drawing on a piece of paper. We are drawing on a piece of paper. So that's a 1.5, and that is 1. Only that's a diameter. So we have that view. So next thing we're going to do is we need to say where that circle is, because we are creating this view here. We got to put that circle there. So we'll go ahead, and this would be looking at the cylinder. We'll just draw a line straight over. I'm going to go ahead and say I want it the midpoint. So I'm just going to use a real quick command here, do midpoint, and it tells me right at the middle of that line. I need to go straight over. Now the fun part is I got to draw a circle now. Now you got to watch out. You got to tell it I want the diameter, meaning from the top of this part to the bottom of that part. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a little shortcut key there, which you'll learn plenty of them. Don't be intimidated by the software. But we're going to say the diameter is 1. So just plug in 1. Right there's our part. Then we can erase that. So we'll come up here, go erase, and it's gone. So then we can go ahead and come and select the diameter. And put a nice little diameter sign in there for you. So right there's our view. Let's go back over to our inventor, circle, cylinder, and then we can go ahead and come back over here, and let's just bring that view straight up. Using them, they call them snaps, just bring it straight up, come over, go straight up, then we'll just go ahead and put another line, and we have that, it's called an ortho, it just makes it go, 90 degrees, up, down, and bottom, and left, and right, real simple. And we're just going to say, put the line, end it right there, perpendicular, nothing big. And so we're just going to do, there's a cool little command that's called offset, or, yeah, we can do offset, and you just tell it how far. You want a distance of 1. You just put 1 in, and just plug it up there. So there that is, and we can just do a trim. So select the trim, highlight it, and what you're doing with trim is you're just saying where you want them to end. So I'm just going to select that, there, there, and there. And that is our multi-view drawing. You can go ahead, go into the layout, make a border of it, but you could, in essence, print this off just like this. So say somebody has a floor plan they'd like made, somebody like a schematic made, somebody like a porch design. You can use this software to make all of them views. Um, it's an industry standard, so it's a good program we use to begin with. And both of these programs, Inventor and AutoCAD, are both free to download, trial. Autodesk, as a student, they actually have educational versions as well that you can download for home. So check them out. There's plenty of opportunities. Um, I'm going to paste my information right there. If you need anything, there's my contact information. I will go ahead and I'm going to put my email address on there as well. If you have any questions, this is my email address. And feel free to contact me. Any questions? Um, I'm going to try to have trial softwares at the sophomore visits. If you're interested in playing with it, there's tons of examples out there. Have tons of videos. Every assignment I will have recorded is the ultimate goal, and a lot of them have been posted so students can use as a guide. So feel free to contact me, and I hope to see you guys in the spring or in the fall time. I truly enjoy this, and I hope everybody else does as well. Thank you.